Here's how I created 100 social media posts in under 5 minutes using Canva's AI tools. First, go to Canva and then go to Doc. On the document, click the plus button and then click Magic Write. Type in a prompt that's suited for your social media brand. In our case, I'll type 100 short, inspiring quotes. Canva's Magic Write will generate it for you. Now, the next step is to copy it all. Go back to Canva's homepage and then select a social media template you'd like to use. Go to Apps, go down until you find Bulk Create. Click on Enter Data Manually. Rename the top part with quotes. Click on column number 1 and then paste our quotes. And then click Done. Lastly, right-click on the text and then look for Connect Data and then select Quotes. On the left side, click Continue, and then once you've seen the quotes, hit Generate. There you go. Now you have created 100 posts for your social media in under 5 minutes. Was this helpful? Follow us for more.